Hi guys, Nestle here from girlonthemattress.com, your favorite girl on the mattress. Today's mattress is called Blello. It's a brand new mattress on the market, 10 inches all foam, and we're gonna unbox it in this video. Before we go unbox the mattress, I have a monthly giveaway. If you want to join, the details are in the description below. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also comment below what is your favorite color. And let's go unbox the Blello mattress, a combination of blue and yellow. Blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, Blello, Blello, Blello.